Have you ever experienced a sensation of being an odd puzzle piece that does not seamlessly blend into the environment? Have you carried a sense of dissimilarity, feeling like it's challenging to fit in completely? It could be possible that you have sensed a strong urge for your distinctive and exclusive mission in life, one which persuades softly from within. If these emotions sound familiar to you, then take comfort knowing there are others who feel similarly. There are numerous people out there, just like yourself, who have encountered an unexplainable sense of fate or calling, a powerful sensation that they were destined for something above and beyond their personal existence. It's almost as if the universe has hand-selected them for a unique objective, one which is celebrated in the teachings of canon individuals such as innovative therapists and visionary authors alike. If you're feeling compelled by this message or your heartstrings being pulled in response to it, this could be indicative of your involvement within a cosmic plan far more extravagant than anything previously imagined. In the course of your existence, you might have pondered over your significance and contribution to this immense cosmos. You may have had doubts about why you felt distinct or inclined toward specific pursuits and encounters. These internal sensations were not insignificant. They served as a guiding force from the universe directing you towards fulfilling your purpose. The teachings of Dolores canon offer profound wisdom into that mission, which exceeds our personal lives' limits. We are summoned to fulfill a task that requires us to embody our authentic selves, celebrate our distinctiveness, and radiate brilliance. We must explore the profound celestial blueprint responsible for leading you towards this crucial point in history. Envision an infinite span of galaxies, stars, and societies interwoven into the fabric of space-time. Amidst it all exists Earth, small but significant at the very heart of universal existence. What sets Earth apart from other celestial bodies, warranting its exceptional status in the universe? The root lies within a profound disequilibrium that once plagued the galaxy where our planet resides. Darkness had infiltrated and distorted nature's balance of power, causing uproar to spread across all domains. This period marked an era of chaos, the cosmos itself yearning for harmony restoration. The Great Council came into play as a result, an assembly comprised of brilliant and discerning individuals hailing from different parts of the universe. In response to this cosmic aberration, a significant assembly convened, urging action. The Council acknowledged the need for intervention and sought to dispel darkness and restore balance amid chaos by initiating a remarkable plan. Volunteers from divergent corners of the cosmos offered themselves as pure beams of light and chose to manifest in human form on Earth. Their purpose was clear: infuse the planet with brightness, serving as hopeful beacons amidst a shrouded world rife with uncertainty. These individuals embarked on an audacious journey overflowing with courage indeed. Currently, our understanding of Earth is that it's undergoing an unparalleled change, a significant move towards the fifth dimension. This transformation surpasses any previous occurrences on this planet and presents itself as a cosmic event fundamental in advancing humanity. The escalating vibrations and frequencies result in two separate realms known as two Earths. The Earth of yore exudes energies known to us all, whereas the novel vista of a higher frequency marks the new Earth. Herein lies love, peace, and harmony resonating beyond limitations once thought possible in our old world. Dolores canon's teachings reference this landmark juncture as the event, signifying creation of an elevated existence on the fresh terrain, one that fosters heightened levels for being itself. In this dominion, love rules the day and humanity is liberated from its historical constraints. The magnitude of this occasion cannot be exaggerated. It marks a pivotal moment in universal history. Hidden away are multiple societies hailing from distant galaxies who labor ceaselessly to facilitate this metamorphosis. All eyes throughout the cosmos remain fixated on Earth as they eagerly anticipate unprecedented cosmic events taking shape before them. What makes the seemingly insignificant Earth so vital in the vast cosmos? It's not a mere coincidence. Intense cosmic planning and sacred geometry have made it possible. As transformation takes place on our planet, energies will radiate across all domains, raising vibrational frequencies for countless worlds. However, an essential aspect of this mission is worth highlighting. As departed souls complete their earthly journey, whether naturally or through disastrous events, new volunteers are ready to step in and contribute their light to the ongoing cosmic play. With each disaster and challenge humanity faces, we move closer towards a monumental shift in transformation. This is a joint endeavor, an interstellar choreography that involves the play of luminescence and shadow to ultimately advance the universe towards greater states of being. And here you are positioned on planet Earth amidst these cosmic unfoldings, not just as a bystander, but rather as one actively contributing to the intricate fabric of creation. As you come into consciousness of your part in this grand performance, it becomes crucial to comprehend the idea behind Dolores Cannon's teachings on the 3 waves of volunteers. This profound realization highlights specific classes of light bearers, each with a distinct duty and objective within the universal design. The initial group faced numerous obstacles and adjustments as pioneers who forged ahead, illuminating pathways for subsequent members. Their journey entailed tumultuous experiences leading to personal transformation while serving a higher cause. The second group of volunteers experience a smoother journey with fewer hindrances and hurdles. Their lives center around service to others, generating minimal karmic impact while staying under the mainstream radar. They act as receivers or carriers of energy and leverage their talents and skills wherever Earth requires them. Many in this cohort deliberately forego having children, since doing so may limit their capacity to carry out their objectives by creating karmic bonds. Their purpose is to do their work, contribute with unique energies, and remain free from the cycles of earthly existence. The new children, also called the 3rd wave of volunteers, are born knowing more than what they consciously perceive. Their DNA has been modified and a sense of purpose lies within them even before birth into this world. With ease, they maneuver through Earth's fluctuating energies. What role you play in their cosmic mission rests on the wave that resonates within you. You may find yourself drawn to aspects of all 3, a trailblazer, antenna of light, or new child, each having purposeful presence. Your contribution holds significance for the greater good as it emits from your unique capacity. Recognition thereof catalyzing your volunteering for this mission and understanding its intentionality. Your purpose for being here is to act as a link between different dimensions, harmonize the energies, and prompt individuals towards discovering their genuine identities. Simply by existing, you remind people that there's an entire world beyond what lies in front of us, and everything within it is intricately woven together. What specific responsibilities do you hold on this profound voyage? As a light worker, you are a volunteer who decided to take on physical form in order to bring illumination to this world shrouded by darkness. Your purpose is specific and significant as you recognized your innate ability for transformative impact. It's quite possible that your intention was centered around building bridges of knowledge while serving as an ambassador between diverse realms of comprehension. As a lightworker, you may be tasked with aiding individuals in achieving a harmonious balance of their energies or providing direction on their journey towards self-realization. At your core, you serve as an intermediary for divine energy, enabling the illumination of cosmic radiance into our world. It's crucial to recognize that this purpose does not stand alone. Rather, it extends throughout an expansive community of fellow lightworkers, each contributing uniquely to this transcendent narrative. You and your fellow beings are crafting a new narrative for humanity, intertwining the threads of consciousness. Your purpose is to aid individuals in recognizing their authentic selves and retrieving memories they may have buried within themselves. On Earth, we are experiencing an intense period of change, one where walls dividing us fade away as people increasingly perceive our link with the universe at large. As part of a planetary awakening, you have the opportunity to witness and participate in a historical moment that will be recognized across multiple universes. Though your time on Earth during this pivotal period may be brief, remember that you bear the badge of being an eyewitness to this remarkable change. Despite chaos, turbulence, and uncertainty, it is your duty to remain grounded. As a lightworker, your a steady and contribution is unwavering
essential.
presence amid the chaos. Your poise must be maintained as you provide comfort for those who are bewildered. This task should not be underestimated. It requires an earnest effort on your part to offer aid and direction for individuals grappling with a world in turmoil. Your serene presence alone carries the potential to inspire others with hope. Bear in mind that you were primed for this calling, entrusted with both insight and resilience necessary to navigate through these difficult days. Place confidence not only within yourself, but also toward your role as part of a grander cosmic scheme outlined by Dolores Cannon's teachings, one already set in motion. Although underway, brace yourself as more tumultuous moments are just on the horizon. The tumultuous upheaval of long-held convictions and the destruction of falsities will challenge the fortitude and endurance of those present to aid in this momentous metamorphosis. Envision a society rife with disarray, as individuals run through thoroughfares consumed by panic induced by both environmental catastrophes and disturbances resulting from authority figures' dogged adherence to obsolete ideologies, only adding fuel to the chaos. These individuals have full knowledge of the ongoing changes, yet they are obstinately unwilling to embrace them. They steadfastly hold on to their perception that they remain in charge, even as the waves of transformation crash upon them. Amidst this disarray, those who can envision beyond the superficial and refuse to succumb to trepidation will emerge as strong allies for others. The essence lies not in dispensing all the solutions or divulging absolute veracity. Rather, it hinges on your resolute constancy and tranquil demeanor amid turbulence while retaining composure and sanity. Those around you will perceive this quality within you, seeking refuge from their tumultuous surroundings. Even if they are lost amidst an atmosphere of change, they will acknowledge that you offer a sense of fortitude and lucidity during these trying times. Your importance amplifies as you become like a lighthouse in turbulent waters, guiding lost ships and offering hope. The mere presence of your guidance provides strength for others during tough times. Remember that this is not an individual effort, but rather part of a larger community of lightworkers all striving towards achieving the common objective to initiate a new era marked by consciousness growth and radical transformation. As a member of the cosmic team, your personal efforts hold significant weight in shaping our world. Your selection for this task is based on your exceptional skills and inner fortitude. You were not merely stumbled upon by chance, but rather designed to be here through divine intent. The grand scheme requires that you enlighten dim surroundings, proving beacon-like assurance amidst uncertainty, all while contributing towards an optimistic resolution within this vast narrative at play. Despite the apparent chaos in our surroundings, these times are precious and invaluable. They offer a unique chance for growth and learning that has never before been available on Earth. This period presents an extraordinary opportunity for your soul to embark on a journey of spiritual evolution with lasting impact. Even though it may be challenging, embrace this momentous occasion with open arms. The cosmic shift brings a series of challenges that serve as stepping stones towards your highest potential. This unique opportunity attracts advanced souls from across the universe who seek to accelerate their spiritual growth through these obstacles. Amidst the upheaval and transformation, you embody an unwavering presence of light, offering stability and hope to those around you. Remember that you are being observed by the universe, so it's time to accomplish your universal responsibility. You're not merely an onlooker in cosmic events. Rather, you play a crucial role in ushering forth a new era of awareness and metamorphosis. Be fearless and resolute in your role, as it holds the power to impact the entire universe. If this message strikes a chord with you and instills a sense of purpose within, then know that you are an extraordinary being, an enlightened spirit who deliberately chose to be on Earth during this pivotal juncture in history. You are here to spread light and bring about positive transformation. Your presence here is not coincidental. The Great Council has carefully chosen you for this important mission due to your exceptional and distinctive qualities. Your soul resonates with the confirmation that affirms your possession of extraordinary skills, wisdom, and inner radiance needed to effect a positive change in our world. Our coalition fosters transformation that revolutionizes the world for good as we work together hand in hand towards achieving it.